Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg with MarineMax, and I am here on a 2021 Stingray 231 dual console. It's a nice little boat. As we walk around, you'll see the seats that the flip-up bow rise, the bolsters on each one, captain's chair. You have in-floor storage here. You have a nice head compartment with some filler cushions in there. And in the photos you'll see underneath of this seat here, we have a live well. There's storage under the seats here. Lots of cup holders. Freshwater shower. There's a ladder under there. As we walk back, there's some storage down under there. You have some filler cushions, a table, cooler. The boat only has 171 hours on this F200. There's a sink with a trash can unit. There's a really large live well back here. Telescoping ski pylon. And a Yamaha 204-stroke. Back to the dash. Does have a Garmin display. It's really nice. You have the Fusion stereo system. It's just a really nice boat. 12-person capacity. Again, it's a 23-foot dual console from Stingray. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. You can reach me on our website at www.marinemax.com. Thanks for looking.